Hello children, lesson 2 my amazing body EVS class work எப்படி எழுதுறதுன்னு பார்க்க போறோம். Roman letter 1 dictation words. ஒரு டைம் நான் நல்லா சொல்லி கொடுத்துறேன், listen பண்ணுங்க. Bones, floppy, wrist, ankle, elbow, hearing, crunch, position, tongue. இப்போ என் கூட சேர்ந்து சொல்லுங்க. bones, B-O-N-E-S, bones. floppy, F-L-O-P-P-Y, floppy. wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. ankle, A-N-K-L-E, ankle. elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. hearing, H-E-A-R-I-N-G, hearing. crunch, C-R-U-N-C-H, crunch. position, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, position. tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. posture, P-O-S-T-U-R-E, posture. Roman letter 2 missing letters. hopscotch, hopscotch na enna game? பாண்டி விளையாடுவோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான். H-O-P-S-C-O-T-C-H, hopscotch. பல்லாங்குழி, P-A-L-L-A-N-K-U-Z-H-I, பல்லாங்குழி. grown, G-R-O-W-N, grown. fluffy, F-L-U-F-F-Y, fluffy. sticky, S-T-I-C-K-Y, sticky. next Roman letter 3 match the followings. sugar, sweet, S-U-G-A-R, sugar. sweet, S-W-E-E-T, sweet. lemon, sour, L-E-M-O-N, lemon. sour, S-O-U-R, sour. chilli, spicy, C-H-I-L-L-I, chilly, spicy, 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 sea water, salty, sea, sea, water, 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 salty, 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 indoor game, dayam, indoor, indoor, game, 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 dayam, dayam, dayam. Roman letter 4. Choose the correct answers. First bracket குள்ளார answersலாம் write பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Looks, sound, smell, feels, taste. Honey dash sweet. Honey tastes sweet. HONEY, honey, taste, TASTES, taste, sweet, SWEET, sweet. A feather dash soft. A feather feels soft. FEATHER, feather, feels. FEELS, feels, soft. SOFT, soft. A jasmine has a pleasant dash. A jasmine has a pleasant smell. Jasmine, 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 has, has, pleasant, 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 smell, SMELL, smell. A flower garden dash beautiful. A flower garden looks beautiful. A flower, 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 garden, 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 looks, 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 beautiful, BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. The cuckoo makes a musical dash. The cuckoo makes a musical sounds. THED, cuckoo, 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 makes, MAKES, makes. musical, musical, musical. Sounds, sounds, sounds. Roman letter 5, answer the followings. Which is the largest sense organ in our body? நம்ம உடம்புல எந்த ஆர்கன் சென்ஸ் ஆர்கன் largest சென்ஸ் ஆர்கன் எது? The skin is the largest sense organ in our body. நம்ம உடம்புல எது largest sense organ? Skin. தோல் தான் என்னது? largest sense organ. Again read out பண்ணுறேன், listen பண்ணுங்க. Which is the largest sense organ in our body? The skin is the largest sense organ in our body. What is posture? The position of our body is doing various action is called posture. What is posture? The position of our body is doing various action is called posture. Name any 4 joints: wrist, ankle, knee and elbow. Name any 4 joints: wrist, ankle, knee and elbow. Fourth question. Name any 2 indoor games: Pallanguli, Dayam. Name any 2 indoor games: Pallanguli, Dayam. Define joints. The place where 2 or more bones meet is called joints. Define joints. The place where 2 or more bones meet is called joint. How many sense organs do we have? What are they? We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. How many sense organs do we have? What are they? We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Class work neat ரைட் பண்ணி சப்மிட் பண்ணுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Thank you.